All right, everybody. Hi, welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran. We are talking crypto NFTs in the Central District of California. Class action complaint. I think it's class action open season on these crypto companies, these token companies, all this stuff. Here's a demand for a jury trial. Class action complaint. Here's Scott and Scott, attorneys at law. Here's their contact info up here. Suing all kinds of people. Yuga Labs, all kinds of people. You can see them here. Who else in here? James Fallon is in here. Paris Hilton is in here. All kinds of people. Justin Bieber, Gwyneth Paltrow, all kinds of people. And they are suing basically in this class action on behalf of others for Bored Ape Yacht Club and the Apecoin, and basically just saying people were kind of just pumping this through the MoonPay network. And let's look at the nature of the case here. Celebrities and NFTs are a match made in hell. Somehow, star endorsements have found a new low. Okay, so the case is in regards to like securities, civil conspiracies, unfair competition, unjust enrichment, things like that. I'll read just the beginning and then I'll post the complaint down below if you want to read it and give it a full read on your own. But it's really long, which is why I can't do it all right now. Plaintiffs bring this action on behalf of all investors who purchased Yuga's non-fungible tokens or Apecoin tokens, aka Apecoin, between April 23rd, 2021 and the present, and were damaged thereby. Celebrity promotions of cryptocurrencies are fraught with problems. As the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission previously stated, celebrities and others are using social media networks to encourage the public to purchase stocks and other investments. This is what's going on, this whole big argument and the Ripple lawsuit with SEC. Is this a security? Are people selling securities? It says here, these endorsements may be unlawful if they do not disclose the nature, the source, and amount of any compensation that's paid directly or indirectly by the company in exchange for an endorsement. So we have these FTC rules. If you're an endorser, you got to let people know. You can't just get this big sweetheart backroom deal, not tell anybody. I think there's another case with Kevin O'Leary, the shark, Mr. Wonderful, as he calls himself. Basically getting all this money, and now he's got a lawsuit against him for promoting. I think it was FTX, as a matter of fact. And then there's class action lawsuit pending with my firm on that case. Okay. Where are we at here? According to the Atlantic, celebrity endorsements of a product, a brand, an idea, a haircut have been around for ages, but they've become especially thick on the ground in recent years as stars have developed their own direct advertising channels on social media. For people with something to sell, a celebrity's fan base provides an easy, responsive audience. You guys know what this is, the endorsements on Instagram and Twitter and whatnot. This case epitomizes these concerns as it involves a vast scheme between a blockchain startup company, Yuga Labs Inc., a highly connected Hollywood talent agent, defendant Guy Oseary, and a front operation, MoonPay, who all united for the purpose of promoting and selling a suite of digital assets. The executives at Yuga and Oseary together devised a plan to leverage their vast network of A-list musicians, athletes, and celebrity clients and associates to misleadingly promote and sell the Yuga financial products. Yuga's flagship NFT collection, the so-called Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, and related brand rely heavily on the perception that joining the club, i.e. buying a BAYC NFT, non-fungible token, brings investor status and provides them access to events, benefits, and other lucrative investment opportunities exclusive to BAYC holders. The exclusiveness of the BAYC membership was entirely based on the intrusion and endorsements of highly influential celebrities. But this purported interest in and endorsement of the BAYC NFTs by high-profile tastemakers was entirely manufactured by Osiri at the behest of the executive defendants. Now remember, these are all just allegations. Doesn't mean these are the facts. This is what they're alleging, okay? In order to make the promotion of and subsequent interest in the BAYC NFTs appear to be organic, as opposed to being solely the fruit of a paid promotion, the company needed a way to discreetly pay their celebrity cohorts. To do this, Osiri tapped into a different part of his network, the MoonPay defendants. Osiri's venture capital firm, Sound Ventures, was one of the early investors in MoonPay, along with defendants Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, Jimmy Fallon, Gwyneth Paltrow, Serena Williams, Austin Post, Thomas Pence, Calvin Broadus, Kevin Hart, Alexander Paul, Andrew Taggart, on and on. MoonPay purports to be a white glove service. Let me get this here for you. MoonPay purports to be a white glove service designed to help the super rich and celebrities buy NFTs without all the hassle setting up a wallet, buying crypto, using that crypto to purchase an NFT, and then taking custody of it. Okay, so there's quite a process involved there. The interface has, in my opinion, the long way to go. In truth, the executive defendants and Osiri used their connections to MoonPay and its service as a covert way to compensate the promoter defendants for their promotions of the BAYC NFTs without disclosing it to unsuspecting investors. We got a couple more paragraphs here. Defendants' promotional campaign was wildly successful, generating billions, that's with a B as in biscuit, billions of dollars in sales and resales, the manufactured celebrity endorsements and misleading promotions regarding the launch of an entire BAYC ecosystem, the so-called other side metaverse, were able to artificially increase the interest in and the price of the BAYC NFTs during the relevant period, causing investors to purchase these losing investments at drastically inflated prices. The staggering profits of the BAYC NFTs were not enough for the executive defendants. Next, they cut off the artifice of the NFT altogether and went a more direct route to making money. They created their own out of thin air. The executive defendants minted digital assets called Apecoins and promoted that BAYC NFT owners would receive an airdrop of Apecoins for membership in the club. In doing so, the executive defendants, Osiri and the Ape DAO Board, Decentralized Autonomous Organization Board, defendants sought to obscure their sales of their own massive Apecoin allocations directly to retail purchasers. At no point did any of the defendants register these securities with the SEC. Be careful, crypto companies. You see that right there? That's what's at issue these days, okay? SEC cracking down. At no point did any of these defendants register your securities with the SEC. In addition, executive defendants Arano, Solano, Atale, and Ali disguise their control of Yuga to avoid scrutiny and facilitate this scheme. This conspiracy among the executive defendants and Osiri, then carried out with assistance of the promoter defendants and the MoonPay defendants, raked in the millions for them all. Meanwhile, investors left with staggering losses. Plaintiffs bring this class action on behalf of themselves in an objectively identifiable class consisting of all investors that purchase Yuga financial products between April 23, 2021 and the present. So that's the member of the class. You might be in it. Look up your purchase, see what happened. But anyway, I'm not going to go into any further than that. It's a whole host of things. There's some pictures if you want to look in here. Let's see. I thought there was. Oh, yeah. There's some pictures, some things in there. Two amazing partners, co-founders, Bored Ape. So you've got some of these little tweets up here. Okay. Anything else? I'll just show you a couple of those and we'll close this video out. This just happened. Post Malone aped into the Bored Ape Yacht Club by purchasing his first NFT with MoonPay in his latest DDD. So you can see what's going on here. So Captain Breezy reporting for Dooley. All aboard. All aboard. So anyway, so we'll let you go with that, but I just wanted to give you the breaking crypto news. Attorney Steve here. If you need help with a crypto case, give us a call, shoot us an email. We will take a look at it. A lot of these cases, guys, they're scams. You can't find them. They're overseas. You were tricked, technical difficulty, all kinds of things, I'm telling you. But in certain events, there may be a viable cause of action. Okay, so that's about it. I'm not going to go in too much anymore into that. But thanks for watching. Feel free to share this video on your social media networks. VondranLegal.com. That's where you can find us. Have a great day. Gotta run.